Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. Yes. So, today we are here again to do what? To study EVS. So, today I am going to start with the new chapter, that is lesson number 3. And I hope all have completed lesson number 2. Yes. You have done your copy work and your book work. That was more on animals. Yes. So now you know about animals. So today we are going to start with a new chapter. For that you have to take out your semester book and open page number 167. Open page 167. We are going to start with the new lesson. And what's the name of the lesson? Name of the lesson is lesson number 3, seasons. Today we are going to study about different seasons. So I think so many of you are familiar with many things about seasons. So can you name some of the seasons? Yes, can you tell me the names? Yes. Which season is going on right now? Right now which season is going on? Yes, winters are going to start. It is autumn going on, so winters are going to start. Okay, so you can feel a little bit hot or a little bit cold. Yes, you are feeling hot during the daytime and little cold you are feeling in early morning or in the late night time. Yes, now the season is changing. Okay, so let's start. I hope all have taken out your books. You have to take out this page. Page number 167. We are starting with the new lesson, lesson number 3, seasons. Okay, children? Yes. So, there is a warm-up box. In your book, there is a warm-up box and there are many clothes given in it. Okay, so this you have to do after reading this chapter. Right now we are not doing it. This box you will do after reading the chapter once. If you have done with your reading, you can do this box. It's very easy. You know when to wear summer clothes, when to wear winter clothes. Okay. And when do we wear rainy clothes? Okay. So summer clothes you have to write S. Winter clothes you have to write W. And rainy clothes you have to write R. It's very easy. You can write easily on your own. Okay. And then we'll check. Yes. So let's start. So first thing what we are going to see in this chapter, it's the weather. So what is weather? When you hear this term weather, what do you understand? It is how the day is hot or cold or rainy. What type of weather it is? That is the condition. Right now, like I am standing in this classroom, it's hot. Okay, I am feeling hot. So I can say the weather is very hot. Okay. Or if in the evening I go out for a drive, the weather is very pleasant, I'll say. Or the weather is very windy. If the wind is blowing, I can say that. So at that moment, how is the condition of around us? Okay, it is known as weather. So let's see with some pictures, it will be much more clearer to you. Then we'll read. So what is the weather? See, this boy is sitting in the sun. It is sunny. So, in sunny weather, what do? We wear glasses. Or, it's very windy. Wind is blowing very fast. So, it is windy. Or, when it rains, you wear a raincoat. Okay. So, the weather can be cloudy. There are many clouds that comes at once. You will never know. Okay. Right now it is very pleasant and after some time you can see so many clouds. So it's cloudy or it's raining. It started raining. Okay. So you take out your umbrella and the rains. So now let's see what it is. Okay. So you have an idea of what is weather. So let's read. First line of your book. It is hot or cold today, or it is raining outside. The condition of sun and air around us at a particular time is called weather. What they are saying? The condition of the sun or the air around us at a particular time. किसी भी टाइम हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं है वो दिन भर वैसे ही हो, नहीं. At a particular time in the morning it will be different, afternoon it can be different, evening it can be different. Okay, so weather may change even every day or even during the day. Weather can change, okay, it will not remain the same. We may feel hot in the morning, then it may rain in the afternoon, and it may become cool in the evening. Last para. Heat, wind, cloudiness and dryness determine the weather of a place. Now these are the words that determine the weather. How is the weather of a particular place? Now turn your page. First paragraph. When the weather conditions stay same for a long period of time. Like if it is remaining very hot for a long period of time. Today is also hot, tomorrow is also hot, day after tomorrow is also hot. So it is remaining the same for a long period of time. It is called season. Okay, if it is remaining the same for a long time. There are three main seasons: summer season, winter season and rainy season. In some places we also experience spring season and autumn season. So now you understood what is weather. So second term came weather. Now what is weather? Weather is season. What is the second term? It is season. What is season? If the weather condition remains same, एक समान है मौसम बहुत दिनों तक, तो उसको बोलेंगे season. Okay, so let's see. When weather conditions stay same for a long period of time, it is called season. Now they have mentioned only three main seasons. What it is? Summer season, winter season and rainy season. Okay, there are three main seasons: summer, winter and rain. But what they have said? But in some places, like now it is going on, you can see outside, leaves are falling from the trees. Yes, so it is autumn season. Okay, many trees are shedding their leaves, and so it's autumn season going on. But in some places people experience spring and autumn. So there are total 5 main seasons: summer, winter, rainy, spring and autumn. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about all these seasons. So let's start with our first season. What is our first season? First season is summer season. Now, when do we see summer season? Main point you will learn in this. And you know something about summer season? Yes. What type of clothes we wear? We have learned in first standard. Very good. Cotton clothes, you remember. Okay. And what we feel? We feel very hot. So, we wear cotton clothes so that we can feel a little bit light. Okay. So, in what all months summer seasons are there? April, May and June. We get our summer vacations now? Yes, in April, May and June, these 3 months we experience summer season. And the main point we'll study in this is Lu. This term we'll study in this. What is this Lu? This is hot and dry wind. We'll study, it is very hot wind that blows in summer. It is called as Lu. This word you have to learn. L-O-O-Lu. Okay. So, you know about the clothes. Summer clothes we have already studied. Okay. And the weather is very sunny. Or you can say it is very hot. And it's hot. See how he is sweating. And you go out to beach or to swimming pools. Okay, you join swimming classes also, है ना? Or you go out stations and you go on a beach when you get summer vacation. So let's study about summer conditions. Summer season. We experience the summer season in the month of April, May and June. We feel hot in summer. The sun shines very brightly during the day. During the day the sun is very bright. The nights are also hot and dry. At night time also it is very hot. Okay. In some places, very hot and dry winds called Lu blows during the day. Now this is the hot wind that blows during the daytime. Next paragraph. In summer season, we use cooler or air conditioner to keep ourselves cool. ठंडा रहने के लिए we use ACs, fans and coolers. We also like to play in the swimming pool. Yes, we all like. We can also visit hill stations during the summer vacations. Why we go to hill stations? Because their temperature is not very hot. Okay. So we go to hill stations. We drink cold drinks and eat ice creams during summer season. We also enjoy fruits such as mangoes and watermelons. Last line. We wear light colored cotton clothes during summer. You have already studied this. We wear cotton clothes during summer. Okay. So there are many things, but main point is the months April, May and June you have to remember, and the term Lu in summer season, because you already know cotton clothes. Okay. Next season we will see it's the winter season, and the winter months are December and January. Okay, from November itself we start feeling cold, but the winter months are mainly December and January. And in this, what you will study, the main point, it will be new term, that is fog. Fog in Hindi we say kohra. Okay, you know it now? Yes. Fog we are learning. It is thick cloud like cover. Thick cloud like cover. When do we see fog? In early morning. सुबह जल्दी उठेंगे तो पूरा white white दिखेगा. Yes. और in the late evenings. Evening time में भी दिखेगा आपको. Okay. Fog means kohra. Okay. And winter clothes you know? Yes, woolen clothes we wear. I have given the pictures, and snow, in some places snow, and very it's cold, so cold wind will blow. Okay, so let's read what is given in your book. Let's see. Winter season. We experience winter season in December and January. In winter we feel cold. Cold chilly wind blows. The sun shines mildly. We like to sit outside during the day. We go for picnics and play outdoor games such as cricket and badminton. You like to play outside during winters. Winter nights are very cold. We stay inside the house. Some of us use heaters. Like in summers we use air conditioners. In winters we use heater to stay warm. At night we need a blanket or a quilt while sleeping. In some places in early morning or in evening we can see a thick cloud like cover near our house. This is called fog. We cannot see very clearly in fog. Next para. We wear woolen clothes such as sweaters, overcoats, jackets, mufflers in winter season. We like to have hot drinks. Like in summer we drink cold drinks, in winter we drink hot drinks. We like to sit around a bonfire. What is bonfire? आग जला के बैठते हैं ना? Yes, it is called as bonfire. Okay. In some hill station, snowfall occurs. In some hill stations, there is snowfall also. People enjoy playing in the snow, and all the people enjoy playing in the snow. So today we are going to study only two seasons, that is summer and winter. Okay, so we have read once. So what you will do, you will read it again, and let's recall what all things we have studied in summer and winter. Okay, so let's see. First we have studied about weather. What was weather? Weather is the condition of sun, mainly the sun, and the air. Okay, weather is the condition of sun or the air around us at a particular time. Okay, like heat, wind, cloudiness, dryness of a particular place, we can say. If the weather remains same, अगर same है weather for a long time, it is called seasons. It is called season. अगर weather same है for a long period of time. Now let's see what is season. 2 seasons we have studied. In summer season, what we have studied? Summer months are April, May, June. And what are the winter months? December, January. Okay, remember this. December, January, April, May, June. Now, in summer season, what do? We feel hot. Okay, and in winter season, we feel cold. Now, in summer season, what happens? Loo blows. What is loo? That is hot wind. And in winter season, cold and chilly wind blows. Cold wind will blow. Okay. We use ACs, air conditioners and coolers. And here we use, in winter, we use heaters. Where do we play in summer season? Swimming pools. Very good. And here we have to use a blanket or a quilt. Okay, in winters because it is very, very cold. We go to a hill station in summer. And in winter, where do we go? We go somewhere? No, we like to stay inside our house. Okay, here we see fog. In winter season, what do we see? Fog. Okay, and next, in summer, we drink cold drinks. And in winter, we will drink hot drinks. Okay, and what do we eat? We eat ice creams. We enjoy summer fruits, that is mango and watermelons. And in winters, what do? We sit around bonfires. आग जलाते हैं and उसके आसपास बैठते हैं. And in summers, we wear light cotton clothes. And in winters, what do? We wear sweaters, jackets. Okay. And in hill station, in winter time, here we go, in summer we go to hill station. And if in winter we go to hill station, we get winter vacations also, we go to hill station and there snowfall occurs. Okay, we can see snow also. Okay, in summer why do we go? Because it is a bit cooler there. Thanda rehta hai. Okay, so this was it. We have seen summer season and winter season. So today's task is you will read it 2 to 3 times so that both summer and winter seasons are clear to you. Okay? Okay children, have a good day and do read the chapter till where we have done today. Okay? God bless you.